Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve glitch on Gmail app, you will click on settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.